Hello. Just wanted to read y'all something in case you never heard it before. Um, Title 18, Title 18 USC Section 242. Whoever under the color of law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or the district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both. And if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts includes kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title, or imprisoned for any term of years, or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death. Okay? That's Title 18. That's the criminal code. And when you're hearing about qualified immunity and you're hearing about lawsuits and settling out of court, and that's all Title 42. That's all civil law. Title 18 is criminal law. If you're trying to hold the cops accountable, Title 18 is where it happens. Do your research. Read up on Giglio-Torch. Read up on the Brady List. Read up on how to present evidence to a grand jury or a district attorney or prosecuting attorney, whatever. Lawyers don't have a fucking lockdown on how this works. According to the Constitution, we do. Okay? So, if a cop starts giving you a hard time because you won't answer his questions, that's deprivation of rights under the color of law. You do not have to answer questions. You have the Fifth and Sixth Amendment that protects you. You have the right to not incriminate yourself according to the Fifth Amendment, and you have the right to due process under the Sixth Amendment, which includes the right to not answer questions without a lawyer. So the easiest way to put an end to all the bullshit that cops are going to try to put you through is ask for a lawyer. I'm not answering your questions without a lawyer. Doesn't matter what they are. Doesn't matter if they take you to jail. Doesn't matter. Don't answer questions and tell them. Fuck the Fifth Amendment. You always have the right to remain silent, but that can still be used against you. People don't understand this. You say, I don't answer questions. Are those Nike shoes? Yeah. You just answered a question, liar. Your fucking testimony is now suspect because you said you don't answer questions and then you answered the question. Invoke your right to counsel. End of questions. Once you've invoked your right to counsel, the cop can say to you, did you kill that person? You say, yeah, I killed that bitch. It's inadmissible because he asked you a question after you ask for a lawyer. You want to end their fucking bullshit games? The minute they walk up to you, ask if you're being detained. If the answer is no, walk away. If the answer is yes, ask for a lawyer. I want my lawyer. I'm not answering any questions without a lawyer. I'm not providing ID without a lawyer. I'm not doing fuck all without a lawyer. I'm not resisting you. I'm not fighting you. I'm going to lay down here on the fucking ground and wait for you to either take me away or go away yourself. I'm just going to lay right here on the fucking sidewalk. I'm not going to fight you. For every Title 42 law, which is civil law, there is a coinciding Title 18, criminal law. When police break the law, charge them with the crime, then sue. Number one, once you've convicted them of the crime, your lawsuit's a slam dunk. Number two, nothing's going to change as long as our answer to dirty cops is let's sue ourselves. I'm going to sue my neighbor because the pigs are dirty. And I'm not saying don't sue. That's one of the ways we put pressure on a system to change is money. You can press the system to change all you want. The cops are their own power base. And they're going to interpret and enforce the law how they want to. However the fuck they can get away with it. Which is why we need to learn the law. If you don't know the fucking law, then you're playing checkers and they're playing chess. Every morning I get up and I read 5 pages of the Newport Police Department Code of Conduct. And then I read 5 pages of the Lincoln County Sheriff's Code of Conduct. I've been through the entire fucking thing 4 or 5 times since I moved here. I go through the ORSs all the time to refresh my memory. 131.615 is the failure to ID statute. 127.67 is the fucking interference statute. Blah, blah, blah. I know them inside out, upside down, backwards, forwards, literally backwards and forwards, because as I get older, my dyslexia gets worse. Title 18, look it up.